Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. Do you have a scout in your family that you're going to be participating in the Pinewood Derby? Well, we have some answers and solutions for you at your local participating Ace store. You know, the Pinewood Derby is a fun event that scouts participate in every year, and it can be daunting if you've never done this before, especially as a parent, and you're not quite sure what to do. Many of the scout troops will give you a block of wood and say, good luck. And there's a lot of rules and regulations about how much it should weigh, but not necessarily how it has to look. Well, we've got a whole pine car kit set up right here. You can see right here, this is a pine car racer. It's a complete kit that has everything you need. It has the wheels, the add-on, the ultimate kind of pre-shape that comes with it, and then you can customize it, even the added weights. Now you'll see that a lot of weights and different items are available at your participating Ace store. One of the things that I like to tell people when it comes to doing this, and I did it myself years ago when my kids were younger, is the Dremel tool is your best friend for customizing a Pinewood Derby car. Remember, it's all about the weight, making sure that it meets the criteria for the Pinewood Derby. But you can shape and make it your own by using a Dremel tool. And you can paint it too. There's a bunch of little pints of paint you can buy, whether it's Rust-Oleum or our Ace brand product, little pints there. And if you get a few artist brush there to really kind of customize it all, it's a fun project to do with your child to participate in the Pinewood Derby. You don't have to be overwhelmed because your local participating Ace store is there to help.